19th, right? As you see, look what we got from here. It was a move yesterday. Well, actually, ending of London morning session. This was the move, but I trade New York Open, and it is 8 o'clock now. We have news at 8:30. I want to see price drive into here, create something like this. You're definitely gonna hear the city noise. I'm at work. But we'll see something like this happen in the area of here. Where these lines come from, these lines are 1 hour order block and a fair value gap. Oh, this is a 4 hour, but even 4 hours on my side. 1 hour to where I wanted to go. There. There's your order block. We could do an order block entry, but there's a fair value gap on the open. Here, I can mark off the body, see where the body ends off. On the 5 minute. We can do a body entry. Where does the body entry end up on a 5 minute? That does look a little bit better for me. And it's also above the equilibrium line as well. Let's see what the volatility says at 8:30. Because the reason why I want it to go up is because we have this liquidity spike underneath these lows here. So people who were selling short are now going to be stopped out. And we shall see what price it says. See. For the last smooth August very own conversation for the night. Previous conversation was how easy they make it for us to know what to invest in for the next 10 years. If you didn't see the video or the topic that it was about understanding the top 10 people or top 10 companies you can look for within this headline. The U.S. awards $2.8 billion in grants. And people, there's a difference between a grant and a loan in the EV batteries in the next 10 years. And I just need you to know in this article, in the video that I went over, I'm just saying, here's a hint, right? Here's a hint here. I'm just letting you know there is a big boom coming and I need you to take advantage of it. But let's get into the price action. If you want to go see it, that was the last video that I posted. And yeah, let's get started. As you see, price fell off of previous day's high, which was Monday's high. Marvelous, because everyone knows Monday's high, the Tuesday's low. Roll with me, right? The first things first, let's go to the hour because that is the most significant time frame for me. I put high value on the daily and the hour. 4 hour, yes, but it just makes more sense to me to use the 1 hour. So let's look at the bigger picture before we dive deep. So as you see the last candle here and also imbalanced price action here, we automatically knew price needs to be going, needs to be retracing back because we have imbalanced price action and we have a collection of order that has not been collected yet. This order block right here, I like to call it a collection of orders. It just sounds a little bit more professional to me, and I'm, mixing up the pot with how I like it. You can use it as well. Just make sure you put my name behind it. Order block collection here. As you see, fair value gap is filled to the T. And after that, going towards the New York's open. Look at the time frame at the bottom. It's only 6 o'clock. I'm not in the market yet. I'm not even out of bed yet. I probably should be because this would have been a marvelous move. But I'm not going to hold myself to that. Once we take in London's order block entry, we completely fall breaking structure. Once we broke structure, did we leave imbalanced price action? We did on a lower time frame. Actually, no, we did here as well. If I zoom in far enough, see that gray shaded box? Yeah, imbalanced price action. At the imbalanced price action, we also have a collection of orders from this wick to this body. Making it real simple for you. Let's go down to the 15 really quick, where I can dive a little bit deeper. You'll be able to see the notes that I left for myself, because even I took a bad trade that day. So as you see, collection of orders was collected at London, price action was broken. Inside of that 1 hour order block and imbalanced price action, we have the exact same thing on the 15-minute. Here's your order block collection here, collection of orders. Inside of that, we have imbalanced price action right here. That's another, box checked off. Now, look at this note that I left for myself. High value, or a high value order block or price action to an order block is when it takes buy stops or sell stops going into the order block itself. Let me break that down before I confuse you and lose you and you click off. You see these high right here and you see this high right here. Now, people would put their stop losses here above those two. Why? Because those are the most previous highs that they feel as though that it's safe to do so. But on our side, we're actually looking for price to trade above that going into the order block from the 1 hour. There's liquidity there. Okay, I'm gonna finish reading. And my favorite, it builds liquidity for price to trade back into imbalanced price action and the collection of orders. The collection of orders, like I said, is just the order block itself. It's just the title that I put on it. It's my pizzazz, right? I left another note here. Expect price to dig deeper into liquidity to offer deep premium or discounted price action. Well, price itself. Well, look at this. Collection of orders are here, right? Equal highs, set of twins. Order block here. Price is going to give us a premium price. We're getting the best price possible. Look at a swing after that. This is 10 o'clock, 10:30. I love that time, by the way. It's 10 o'clock. What can you look for? Now, you have 1 hour order block collected. 15-minute order block body collected. I'm going to highlight this so we can go down to the 5 minute, or we can go down to the 1 minute. I haven't gone to the 1 minute at all, actually. And why is this not working for me? Okay, there we go. What can we find in this area? The price action that we're looking for in this green shaded area is something like this. Let's go to the 5 of October 19th. Now, remember the note that I left, that price would dig deeper before falling off. It dug a little bit deeper. There's liquidity above here. People said this is my time because a nice size candle breaking these lows. Hey, you trade how you trade. But I want to show you something even better. How does price give this hand to you? Well, I just want to show you this breakup structure to an order block to continue. See this order block here? Collect it. So if you didn't get at 10, if you didn't get in at 10:45, well, 10:30, and you didn't get in at 10:45, you should have gotten in at 11 o'clock. There was 3 chances right there to catch this waterfall of a move. We can delete this. There's your order block. Collect it. Let that fall. Boom. Second entry because you have another break of structure. Yes, this has been a very risky trade, but you still would have been able to be profitable. Option 1, option 2, option 3, option 4, option 5. You had 5 chances to get in. Now, where did I mess up? I'm going to show you exactly where I messed up. Fear of missing out while I was at work. So you see this collection of orders here from this order block that we heightened on the 15-minute time frame. So this is exactly what I saw. The collection of orders, right? This is not significant enough. I know. This order block is not significant enough. I'm not even calling it an order block. I need a set of buys collected by a set of sells. So that's exactly what I saw. A collection of buys taking liquidity. Liquidity taken. The buy was ran by sells. Marvelous trade. It's exactly what I want to see. I was right, just not at the right time. And I wanted to see price trade back up into the order block's body, and I got in here wanting price to fall down to this line that was right here, and price said it's not your time yet. And thank you, because it reminds me how significant the 1 hour and the daily is. Like, stick to your systems even if you have the fear of missing out. And thing is, you're not missing out on anything. You're not. You just do the same thing tomorrow. You're not missing out. It's like having an Xbox and your friends say, hey, let's play one more time. It's like, I'll play tomorrow. I'm not missing out on anything. It's the same game, same objective every day. I mean, I don't play Xbox every day. But, hey, trading is the same systems every day. You're just playing with different people. So it's different price action, different candles. That's all it is. So what did I need to do is stay significant, or stay, true to my trading system. You trade for the 1 hour order block, or you trade for a daily order block. That's it. Well, you mainly trade for the daily order block in the beginning of the week, because it's taking the collection of orders or the liquidity from the previous week. And then inside of it going down or up, you trade the 1 hour or 4 hour order block. I just like the 1 hour better. Let's go over the system one more time. You allow price to tell you where it wants to go from London. It will repeat itself. London's order box entry. Same here. Boom. Break of structure. You wait for a collection of orders to taken. Repeat from London. Taken. Boom. You had 5 options. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And that's it. And if you want to trade the afternoon session after 1 o'clock or 2, whatever you want to call it, you have liquidity taken here. Let that go. Boom. Well, wait, what is right here? You have this order block right here. This is imbalanced price action. Collection of orders here. Collection of orders here was taken. Order block collected. Lower low. Taking liquidity. That's how many options price gives you. The only reason why it is difficult is because you have to know price story. It's being able to listen to your favorite song so much you know the lyrics. So you're able to tell the lyrics before the song is finished or said. You ever met somebody who's like, who's your favorite rapper? You say Drake. You're like, let me hear a Drake song. And they're not playing no music at all. Like spits and Drake bars. That's exactly what price action is. Spit some price action. Michael does it all the time. He calls out numbers. This is his favorite song. And hey, I appreciate you guys stopping and listen to this smooth conversation. And have a smooth night. And tonight I will be playing Xbox. PUBG is next, or Cold War's next. Have a smooth night, guys. An amazing journey, an amazing trading week.